Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This video is something a little bit different that I don't usually do. I'm going to do some sculpting today on my practice hand. And the reason for that is I was sent the builder base from Aimeili, and it's like an extension gel. So it's like a builder in a bottle and it's a clear one. And I wanted to do a bit of sculpting on the practice hand, but I've been using paper forms, and they're a pain because you can't stick them on properly, and because of the silicone, and you have to put sellotape on and everything, and it's just hard. But I remember using these years and years ago, these metal reusable ones, and I found that they were really good for the practice hand because they actually stayed where I put them. So I was quite happy with that, so I'm giving it a go today. So I'm starting on this middle finger because this is the easiest one for me to do, and I'm just putting a thin layer to start off with, and I'm just painting that on to that tip that's in there, and then I'm just brushing it down onto the form. And because now I've got a slip layer, I can sort of put a bigger bead wherever I want to, and it'll still be connected to the rest of the gel. So I'm just feathering it down lightly just so that I can get a thin base so I can take the forms off, but so it's not so thin that it's going to snap. Now because it's clear, it is hard to see, so I do fiddle around with it a bit, and it takes a while. So I'm showing you this one a tiny little bit sped up, and then the rest of the nails, I think I do another 2 nails and I show you me doing the whole thing, but I do speed that up. So overall I was really impressed with this. It's not as thick as the Madam Glam builder gel, it's thinner than that, but I think that's easier because it's easier to get it out of the bottle and everything. So it's really good for putting your sort of your base down, your extension bit. So what I'm doing now is I'm just cleaning up with a clean up brush, just so that the shape isn't that it's not all over the place, because if you leave this stuff too long it will run all over the form. So I did do 1 nail at a time. And I'm only doing short nails. I did sculpt them out a bit longer and then decided that I wanted them a little bit shorter, so I did file them shorter. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting the base layer on all of the nails, and then when I've done that, for each one I'm going to cure for 60 seconds, just with it being a builder gel and it's a bit thicker. And then when I've done that, I'm going to move on to I am going to take the forms off, and then I'm going to wipe off the sticky layer, and I'll just file the shape of the free edge and everything. I'll not file the body of the nail, but I will file the free edge just to get the right shape, just so that when you put your second layer on, you're not wasting product on places where you're just going to file it off. Okay, so those forms are ready to come off now. So just like with any regular form, you just sort of put a bit of pressure on near where it's sort of stuck, and then it will release. And then you just sort of unfold those wings, those metal wings, and these forms are really good. I'm so glad that I got these. They are only really cheap as well. I will put a link in the description box for if you want to get these. I think I got these off Amazon, and they were really cheap. So you can see there that they've got the basic shape, but I do want to tidy that up. So there, they've been tidied up now. So all I need to do now is just go on with a second layer. And that's just going to give you a bit more structure and a bit more strength. So I'm going to do that for all of the nails, and this layer is a bit thicker than that first layer, just to make sure that I get a good apex and everything like that. So with the builder in a bottle, if you've got the nail pointed downwards, the way I have here, it's a lot easier to get that gel where you want it. If your nail is flat, sort of horizontal, it will it'll more likely go towards the sides of your nails and your side walls, and that's where you don't want it. You want it thicker in the centre and thinner at the side wall. So if you point it down, it's a lot easier to control it. And this gel is really easy to play with. It doesn't stick anywhere, and it's, yeah, I really liked it. I was impressed with it. So I do only show a second layer just on that one nail, because it's just exactly the same as I'd just done on the first layer, but just another layer on top. So then when I'm happy with that, I'm just coming in and I'm wiping them all again, and this is just alcohol that I'm using, 70% alcohol. So I'll wipe all of the nails with that. And then I don't do it on camera, but I do just go in and then refine the shape of them and buff them so that they're ready for some base coat, and then we can put some colour on. Okay, so when that base coat has been cured for 30 seconds, I'm going in with this 056 from Aimeili, and this is a beautiful neon pink colour. I have been sent this in a set, and I've got a swatch video coming up of that set as well, but I couldn't help using this one when I saw it. It's a really gorgeous colour. Now the camera, you'll notice as well that I'm doing the second coat on these. They've already got one coat. I don't know what happened to the footage. I must have forgot to press record, so that's why I'm just showing you the second layer. But this is a gorgeous colour, and I thought it went really nice with these short nails. So yeah, I'm sorry about the filming and things like that. I've got a new phone, and this was the first time I was using it, so the lighting is a bit strange because I wasn't sure how to set it up properly and everything, so I've just tried a few different things to see which I like. Now I'm going over with this 082 from Aimeili, and this is just a topper, so it's clear gel like a top coat, but it's got like little flakies in it, and this one's pink and gold. And so I thought it went really well with this colour. Now the way that I'm filming now, that is the true colour of the gel. When you see my close-up video at the end, it does make the colour a lot more pink, but it's not really that colour, it's this colour that you're seeing now. And when I'm top coating and everything, because this Aimeili, it's called the Paranoid collection with the flakies in, and it does leave a sticky layer, so you do need to top coat it or wipe that off. So I'm just going in with the top coat, and this Aimeili top coat is really good as well. It's super shiny. So I'm just putting that on all of the nails, and then they are done. So I really enjoyed using this stuff. I'll definitely use it again. I'm really into Builder in a Bottle at the moment. I've got some Madam Glam ones that I really love as well. But yeah, this one's definitely a good one, and also it's available to everyone. And it's a lot cheaper than Madam Glam as well, so you don't need to go out and buy those expensive products. You can buy something from Aimeili, which is really good value, and it does the job exactly the same. They do only do it in clear, they don't have any coloured ones. So this is the close-up, just showing you. I just wanted to show you the way that those flakies shift inside that topper, because it's so gorgeous. But yeah, when I was filming it, it just changed the colour of the polish to this really, really bright pink. And it is really bright, but it's not that colour. It's more of a corally neon pink, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I absolutely love these nails. Tell me what you think. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you to all my new subscribers as well, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching as usual. See you next time. Bye.